Hey guys, welcome back to my Pinker. My name is Ingrid. Today I'm gonna share how to make a breakfast quesadilla. Last time I tried to make an omelette, I received a lot of good feedback such as using more flour and using black salt. If you have never tried black salt, it literally tastes just like boiled eggs. So this is our secret ingredient to make our breakfast quesadilla with a vegan omelette. To start off, get a half a cup of mini heirloom tomatoes. These are gonna be these yellow ones. Alright, to this mix I'm going to add half a cup of rice flour. Honestly, this is my favorite flour if I'm doing something savory. So here's where things get more exciting. I'm gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of black salt. Honestly, I imagine black salt was gonna be black, but no, it's not. Then add half a cup of your favorite oil, and the safest one for me is gonna be coconut oil. Oh my goodness, this already smells like egg. You will need to shape your omelette, and once this is done, you can turn on the heat. I just flipped it and it literally looks like an omelette. Oh my god. What? So the veggies you add are gonna vary, but in my case, I honestly love to add some tomatoes. Then let me add some parsley. And basically the last veggie for me is actually this green onion. You can just add all the veggies that I already made, but honestly I enjoy avocado, so I'm gonna add avocado into our veggies. For this next step, you're gonna need some gluten-free flour tortillas. I actually have these brown rice flour tortillas. I haven't tried them yet, but they honestly look very similar to a wheat tortilla. This is the reason why I got them. However, these are completely allergen-free for me. So it has brown rice flour, filtered water, tapioca flour, rice bran, vegetable gum, xanthan gum, and sea salt. So it's safe, and just use whichever flour tortilla that works for you. Alright, you guys are gonna hate me, but there's more coconut oil today. So what I like about these tortillas is that they come in this little paper. So remember that vegan omelette we just made? Okay, let me cut it in half. Basically, this is how it looks. So add one half here, the other half over there. I'm gonna add some mozzarella shreds. Also, feel free to use whichever salt you prefer. In my case, I'm gonna use some pink Himalayan salt. Guys, honestly, what in the world? Honestly, I will say we have come a long way in this channel because I just made a vegan omelette with only 4 ingredients. Now it's time to try it. Let's see if it actually tastes like an egg. Oh my goodness. It's like a mix of tomato and boiled egg. That's crazy. I wonder what happens if I add more black salt. Let's give it a try. Okay, so don't be misled by the looks. This is not a tablespoon of black salt. This is honestly like 1/4 of a teaspoon, but I couldn't find anything else. So let me adjust a bit. I think that's a lot. No. So as you can see, like I still have some here. Hopefully you can see. Oh my goodness, this smells like egg. It's crazy. There we go. Now I know. So if you add a little bit more of black salt, it's going to bring in that eggy flavor. I was kind of scared to add a lot, but honestly, it needed it. This is so good. It literally tastes just like a quesadilla with a normal egg. You have the cheese and you have the veggies. The avocado makes a difference too. Tastes really good. Wow. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed getting to learn how you can make an easy breakfast quesadilla. I know that the first time I attempted to make a vegan omelette, it went pretty bad. The second time I actually uploaded a video, and after the feedback that I received, I was able to create today's video. So don't ever be afraid of trying and experimenting with new things and put it out there, because there's people out there that are going to help you to improve your product. So thank you for all of those who recommended me to use black salt. It literally makes the difference. And if you want to know where to get it, they actually sell it in health stores, but there is gonna be like double or triple the price. And mine, I actually got it in an Indian store, and those are going to currently have it under $2. So it's a really nice deal. And if you wanna have like that eggy flavor, this black salt is going to give it to you. So thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to Ingrid, make sure you do. All you need to do is click this red button down your screen. Please give it a thumbs up and share this recipe with your friends who need to incorporate more plant-based meals into their breakfast. And if you have any friends with food allergies, especially to wheat, eggs, and soy, please share this recipe with them. And without further explanation, I hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you next week with a brand new video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!